Collaborating and connecting. Assistant principals from across the district are at Whale Branch Early College High School taking part in the first ever AP Summer Institute.
Your work is critically important.
Having an assistant principal training like this is really, really important. It's part of our continuous improvement and our continuous growth professionally. And so we want to make sure that we're growing everyone and every part of our system. And assistant principals are a critical part within our schools and making sure that we help move student achievement. So we want to make sure that they get the training they need to continue to be successful.
Our assistant principals are key stakeholders in our system, and we need to develop them. They will one day be principals where they'll lead buildings, and it's important for us to pour into them so that they are prepared for the next step.
15 sessions are being offered during the 2-day workshop.
I think it's a great opportunity for us to learn how to be leaders in our school and really, focusing, making decisions for our kids and in the right capacity for our school. So this is a great opportunity for all of us APs to learn a little bit more how to become better leaders, how to help our kids, how to make our district become better.
Assistant principals are the leaders of the future for Beaufort County School District, so it's super important to invest in this level of folks here in the district.
I think with our teachers, we want them to learn and grow throughout the school year. We always give them professional development, and I think the same way that we pour into our teachers, we have to pour into our leaders as well. They need mentorship. We need the opportunity to grow and learn and hone our strengths, and I think this gives us that chance to do it. So it's very important just for us overall and our overall development as instructional leaders.
A keynote speaker with a background in education also talked to the APs about leadership and the importance of self-care.
I really hope that they are taking away the importance of balancing the head and the heart of the work of school leadership. And that looks like really conducting an inventory of the professional, the tactical, and transactional skill sets that they're bringing to the role, but also being mindful of the qualitative and adaptive sides of leading that sometimes we don't talk about as much within the school leadership journey.
Then for the first time ever, the district named an elementary and secondary assistant principals of the year.
For our secondary assistant principal of the year, it is Jeremiah Young.
It's a lot of hard work in this job, blood, sweat, and tears, literally. just dedicating your heart into your work, and for it to be recognized is huge.
Pritchardville Elementary School's Mary Beth Ralston was named Elementary Assistant Principal of the Year. She was not present during the announcement. At Whale Branch Early College High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.